as you can see, we're slowly getting there. Just put the second coat on this wall, but it's not going to stay white. This is just called compact matte, and this goes on before you paint. So I've got this wall to do, but that's where the paint's, where the wallpaper's going to go on. And I'm going to start on this wall. I've just been putting filler in some of the holes, and then up here I put in like a concrete, because that was quite a deep hole. Another one there. That one I had to take out a few little quite big stones that had come loose, so that's got a hole here, as you can see. So yeah, nice big hole there. So, and also here, this is all loose, that's all loose, you can see. So I need to get some strong glue to glue that. And once that's glued and in place, I'm going to then fill this hole, but at the moment it should be okay. Yeah, so, oh god. So tomorrow I'm going to stop now because I've been doing this for quite a few hours, but the next step I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to fill all the holes, just taking down the, for the curtains, the pole there, and I'm taking the pole down there. That's which had the curtains up, and this is what a neighbour gave me. I thought it was really kind. I'm going to go over here. So these are going to go in place. But I just need another two of these to fit on here, on this one, because that one hasn't got one. So yeah, that's where I am.